Welcome, here I've got Motorola Razr 5G and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply tapping on this button from the right. Here we have access to other modes of this camera. One of this in the video is the slow motion, so let's tap on this now. And here we are, we can start recording the slow motion video by using this big button here at the center. So let me start to show you how it works. This is my object. And now stop by tapping again on this button. Let's move to the right button here now. So we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our video. We can play it by tapping on the center. And as you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like on this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.